Okay, if you live in a big city, you know the struggle, right? Trying to find a lunch that's actually delicious and filling, but doesn't totally destroy your bank account. Well, today, we are tackling that problem head on. We're going to see if we can make a local classic for under $5. So this is the big question. This is our mission for today. Can you actually make a proper, satisfying Nasi Lemak for less than $5? For students, for anyone starting out, or really anyone on a budget? That almost sounds too good to be true. But is it? Let's find out. I mean, just look at this. It's kind of crazy when you see it side by side. Your typical lunch out could easily cost you $15, maybe even $20. But our challenge? To make a full, authentic meal for under 5. The savings are huge, and that's what makes this so exciting. So welcome to the $5 Lunch Challenge. We're here to prove that you absolutely do not have to give up amazing flavor just because you're watching your spending. Now, pulling this off isn't some kind of magic trick. It's all about having the right budget toolkit. And the secret, really, is just a few simple, super affordable ingredients. Let's break down exactly what we're working with. Okay, check out this list. See how normal all this stuff is? You got your basics, right? Rice, coconut milk, a couple of eggs. Then, all the good stuff, some crunchy cucumber, the must-have peanuts and anchovies, and of course that amazing sambal. And for protein, a couple of small chicken wings or some tofu is perfect. None of this is fancy or expensive, especially if you buy a bigger pack to use for a few meals. And when you crunch the numbers, what's the final cost for one lunchbox? Drumroll, please. And boom, under $5. It's totally possible. Challenge accepted, challenge met. The budget works. Now let's see just how easy it is to put it all together. All right, on to the fun part, the cooking. And don't you worry, this isn't some crazy complicated recipe that's going to take all afternoon. We've broken it down into a super simple 3-step method that I promise anyone can do this. Seriously, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you get that rice cooking. That's the heart and soul of the dish. While that's happening, step 2, you prep all your sides. And then, step 3, you just put it all together in your lunchbox. Cook, prep, assemble. It's that simple. And hey, for anyone who's maybe new to this amazing dish, Nasi Lemak is an absolute classic. The name literally translates to creamy rice, and it's all about that gorgeous, fragrant rice that's been cooked in coconut milk with a little bit of pandan leaf. It's the perfect, delicious base for everything else. Oh, and here is a little pro tip to make your life even easier during a busy week. This is perfect for meal prep. You can pack everything up in your lunchbox, stick it in the fridge, and it'll be good for up to 2 days. Make a bigger batch on Sunday, and bam, lunch for Monday and Tuesday is done. So after that super simple process, you get the grand prize, the perfect lunchbox. Just look at that. A beautiful, delicious, home-cooked meal that's all yours. This is the payoff. You know, I absolutely love this quote. It just nails what we've accomplished here, right? It's more than just a meal. It's a feeling. Delicious, nostalgic, and wallet-friendly. That hits on taste, memory, and being smart with your money, all packed into one awesome lunch. So let's just recap the big wins here. It's affordable, so your budget stays happy. It's quick, which is perfect for a crazy week. It's authentic, so you get that real, genuine flavor. And maybe the most important part, it's made with love. And you just can't beat the comfort of a home-cooked meal. And with that, challenge complete. We set out with a mission to see if we could make an amazing Nasi Lemak bento for under $5. And we totally did it. It's proof that you do not have to spend a ton of money to eat really good food. So that just leaves one last thing to think about. We've shown you how to do it with Nasi Lemak, but you can apply this idea to so many other meals. So I'll leave you with this question. What's the next classic meal that you are going to budget hack?